Hello friends, this is the introduction of HTML. What is the HTML? How the structure of HTML? We will discuss in this video. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used for creating web pages. It describes the structure of a web page and consists of a series of elements. Here is the example. See this one. HTML. This is one of the element HTML. This is the root one. HTML element is the root element of an HTML. Header part. This appears in the browser at this position. Title is appeared in that position. Intro of HTML. Body part is appeared in the browser web page. You can see only body part in the web page. This is head 1. Header file. This is H1 says the size of the header. This is the appears on the browser. Win the world with love. This body part, body element is the visible content in web browser. Content having headings like H1, paragraphs, P, images, img, like that, etc. What is an element? In the HTML is series. This is the HTML, one of the element. Every element having the two tags. One is open tag, another one is closed tag. See this, without slash it says the open tag, with slash it is the closed tag. So how this HTML file appears in the web page? See now. See this. Win the world with love. This is the result of this HTML file code. Says every file ends with the .html. We need to create every HTML with .html. Intro of HTML.html. This is the file, HTML file. This says. Okay, we will discuss few more elements details and so many things in upcoming videos. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.